Did you know that running shoes need to be replaced on a regular basis? I call them running shoes. You might call them sneakers or trainers, gym shoes, athletic shoes. The shoes that you wear to work out, to go for walks, to go for runs, they will break down over time with use and become less effective. So FitVille has just sent me this new pair of running shoes, which I'm going to talk about in this video. But first we'll get into when should you replace your running shoes. It is generally agreed that there's a range when running shoes will start to break down in terms of their cushioning and time to buy a new pair. That range is 480 to 800 kilometers, which in miles is 300 to 500 miles. So it's a pretty big range. If you go for a walk or a run or a hike for 3 kilometers, about 2 miles, 3 times a week, so a total of 9 kilometers a week, you should replace your running shoes about once a year or once every year and a half. And why do we have to replace our running shoes? The cushioning in the shoes will gradually break down. So we'll have less shock absorption, which is huge because with less shock absorption, we're going to feel that not only in our feet, but in the joints of the whole body. The tread is going to be less, so we'll have less grip, more likely to slip. We'll also have less structure, less support in the shoes. So have a think about, the running shoes that you're wearing. How long have you been wearing them? And what I do is I'm always in a rotation. So I'm a fitness instructor. I probably have more running shoes than most. I get very excited about new running shoes. I usually have a couple pairs that are indoor shoes, so I use them for workouts, for going to the gym, and then they transition into my outdoor running shoes for walks with run intervals, runs, hikes on trails. And so I have this rotation going of my running shoes. The company FitVille asked if they could send me a pair of running shoes. These are the ones I have on, and asked if I would try them out and give my opinion on the shoes. So I chose this model, which is called FlowCore, and I got to choose this pretty color. I just received my FitVille FlowCore running shoes. Let's open the box. I am trying them out right now. I've done a few workouts in them. FitVille's tagline is liberate your toes or free your toes. All of their shoes are wide width. It's wide in the toe box, lots of room for toes to wiggle and move. When I order running shoes, I always order wide width now. And the reason is that I have neuromas. I developed neuromas in my toes, which is a buildup around the nerves. Over years, I've been a runner for many, many years, and I saw a foot doctor for that issue. One of the things that was recommended is custom orthotics and using wide width shoes. So when they reached out to me and I saw that that was their specialty, I was like, great, yeah, I need to try these out. So I've been doing a few workouts, and so far the results are great. I'm happy with them. The things that I am happy about with these shoes: there's a lot of room for toes. They definitely have a wide toe box. I have lots of room to wiggle my toes. I don't have any issues with neuroma if my toes are, it's too narrow, they're enclosed, I'll get pins and needles and pain, and none of that is happening. So definitely they're living up to their tagline of liberate your toes. They're very cushiony. I like the appearance. This is a really pretty color, and even though that's not a priority, it's always nice to enjoy the appearance of your shoes. The things I'm not too sure about is the stability of the shoe and the grip. So I'm going to need to use them a little bit longer. Eventually I'll transition them and use them outdoors, and I'll make a future video on my findings. The price of these shoes is very competitive, and FitVille has sent me a code that I'm going to offer to you guys to get 28% off of what is already a lower price than a lot of running shoes. So if you're interested in checking them out, have a look at their website. If any of those shoes on their website appeal to you, you can use my code and get 28% off. If you're looking for example, that second pair of shoes so that you can have an indoor shoe and an outdoor shoe, if you've realized that you've been wearing the same pair of runners for too many years, like those runners that are in your closet that are 5 years old, that you've worn over the years to go get groceries, to do errands, to go for walks in the neighborhood. It's probably time to replace those. So comment below, what do you call your athletic shoes? Do you call them a running shoe, a sneaker, a trainer, a gym shoe, athletic shoe? And generally, how often do you replace your running shoes? Do you have a system like I do where they go from an indoor shoe to an outdoor shoe to a gardening shoe? Go to the FitVille website. Not only do they have athletic shoes, but they also have sandals and slippers. They have shoes specific for specific needs like diabetic shoes. And so check it out. You can use that discount code for anything you find there that might work for you. All right, thanks for stopping in, and I will see you in a workout. Take good care.